Welcome to Mia Money, where we uncover the hidden rules of wealth, investing, and the psychology of money.
Imagine waking up on a Tuesday morning. You pour your coffee, check your phone, and see that cash has been deposited into your account while you slept. You didn't sit in traffic, you didn't answer emails, but your rent for the month is completely paid. The math is simple. Divide your desired annual income by your expected dividend yield. If basic expenses, housing, groceries, insurance, run $60,000 a year, yielding 4%, you need a portfolio of $1.5 million. If you earn a standard salary, that $1.5 million target feels like a mathematical impossibility. When a goal seems that far out of reach, it's easy to stop trying entirely. This is why many people choose to finance a $70,000 truck today. If the finish line is invisible, you might as well look wealthy on the commute to a job you hate. This sense of defeat comes from assuming you have to save that entire amount directly from your paycheck. You don't. You reach that target by building a system where your money does the heavy lifting for you. Think of building your initial wealth like pushing a massive, heavy boulder up a steep hill. It takes raw physical effort. In the beginning, you are the only source of momentum. You have to track your spending closely and delay gratification just to get your first $20,000 saved up. It feels incredibly slow. If you leave that money in a traditional savings account earning 1% interest, you make a grand total of $200 in a year. Meanwhile, the rising cost of everyday goods quietly eats away at your purchasing power. The solution is to move that cash from safety into growth. Legendary investors like Warren Buffett consistently point everyday people towards simple, low-cost index funds that track the overall stock market. Historically, the broader stock market returns an average of about 10% per year. If your $20,000 grows at that rate, you just earned $2,000 without lifting a finger. Your financial boulder is cresting the hill, and gravity is starting to pull it forward. Crossing that $20,000 mark cures your brain of survival mode. Your cash goes from being a static safety net to an active engine, generating its own momentum to help you reach that $1 million goal. As your account grows, you will be tempted to speed up the process. A friend might text you about a supposed secret stock offering a massive 12% dividend payout. But that high percentage is almost always a math illusion. A dividend yield is just a ratio. If the underlying price of the company's stock completely collapses, the percentage of the dividend looks huge by comparison. Every dollar a company pays out to you is a dollar they aren't using to grow their own business. If the payout is unsustainably high, it usually means a dying company is draining its cash reserves to keep investors from fleeing. We have seen reliable giants stumble into this trap. In 2024, 3M slashed their dividend payout. That cut erased 66 straight years of consistent dividend increases. In 2022, AT&T, another massive company long favored for its high payout, slashed its dividend by 46%. A slow, boring 4% yield gives your money a stable foundation to compound over decades. A flashy 12% yield is an active warning sign that the company is bleeding out, and it will likely destroy your initial investment. If you avoid those traps and leave your funds alone for decades, the snowball gets larger. Eventually, it kicks off enough cash to cover your internet, your power bill, and your rent. To understand how powerful this income really is, we have to look at the institution that takes a slice of almost every dollar you earn working a normal job, the IRS. With a standard paycheck, federal and state taxes can easily claim a third of your money before it ever hits your bank account. Dividend income operates under an entirely different set of rules. This chart shows how the government treats qualified dividends. For a single filer, income under $49,450 falls into a 0% bracket. If your portfolio pays $40,000, you type that into a tax calculator, you owe exactly $0. Because you get to legally keep 100% of that yield, every dollar goes straight to your living expenses. That efficiency guarantees you can step away from traditional labor years before anyone relying strictly on a taxable salary. Eventually, you hit that $1.5 million mark. You have successfully replaced an entire American salary, and you did it without ever having to sell a single share of your original investment. You will sit in meetings next to coworkers who have a leased luxury SUV and a second mortgage. Their debt is loud and visible. Your wealth is entirely quiet. Having those shares compound in the background gives you walking away money. If a boss demands you work late on a Friday, or the corporate culture turns toxic, your financial foundation gives you the leverage to walk out the door. So ignore that terrifying million-dollar finish line. Right now, your only job is to track your spending, delay gratification, and start pushing your first $20,000 up the hill. Reaching this level of investment allows you to buy back your own time. You are no longer trading hours for a paycheck. You are purchasing the power to say no to anything that does not serve your life.
If this video helped you think differently about money, like and subscribe to Mia Money. And in the comments, tell me, what's the biggest financial lesson you've learned recently?